Welcome back. Welcome back, dear students, to the maths class. In today's class, we will discuss question number 2 of exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1, which is on book page number 144. Question number 2. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Open your book. Question number 2 is find the perimeter of following shapes. Some shapes are given in your book and these you want to find the perimeter of each shape. Okay. Now these shapes are not square, not rectangle. So you cannot apply the formula here, right, to find the perimeter. Okay, what was the formula we discussed for perimeter? Sum of all sides, right? If you know the length of the side, you can find the value. You can find the value by adding the sides, but you don't know what is the length of each side. So, in bracket some hint is given. What is the hint given? Each small square is of 1 centimeter. See, observe by the pink dotted line, in your book, some small squares are given, right? Look on the board. It is a square. Can you observe it? It is a square. These are some squares. Inside the boundary, inside the black boundary, some small squares are given, right? These small squares having each side of 1 centimeter. These all squares having each side is of 1 centimeter. Means this side, it is the square, this side will be of 1 centimeter, this side will be 1 centimeter, this side will be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. All the side of each square is of 1 centimeters. It is given, okay? I am not telling it is given in your hint. So it means this side is 1 centimeter, this side 1 centimeter, this side 1 centimeter. So the length of this side, so the total length of this side is, you can say it is 3 centimeter, right? Now this side is of 1 centimeter. This side is of 1 centimeter, right? Then this side is also of 1 centimeter. This side is also of 1 centimeter. This side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Then this side is 1 centimeter. This side 1 centimeter. The part of this side is 1 centimeter. This part is of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. It is also of 1 centimeter. Means each small square side is of 1 centimeter. This side is of 1 centimeter and this side is of 1 centimeter. Now you know the value of these sides. So you can find the perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides, right? So perimeter will be, here the perimeter will be 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me count how many 1 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1 centimeter 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 plus therefore perimeter is equals to total how many centimeters? 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 centimeter. So the perimeter of the figure is 18 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter. In perimeter, what we talk about? We talk about only boundary of the figure. That is why we are not talking about the inside part of the figure. We are just talking about the boundary of the figure. Okay. So boundary, the length of the boundary is 18 centimeter, or the perimeter of the figure is 18 centimeter. Now let us find out for the next one. So what you need to do is, do not write this part, just write you will note down the question number 2, you will draw the figure and note down this solution. Okay. Now let us move to the part B. Okay. In part B, as it is given in the hint of the question that each side of a small square is of 1 centimeter. It means this side will be of 1 centimeter, this side will be of 1 centimeter, this side will be of 1 centimeter. This square has 1 centimeter, this square has 1 centimeter, this square has 1 centimeter, this square, this side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Each side, each small square is having 1 centimeter length. Each side is of 1 centimeter. Right? So, what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equals to, perimeter means boundary. Perimeter means length of boundary, total length of boundary. We are talking about the boundary only, okay? So, perimeter equals to sum of all sides. What is the formula? Sum of all sides means when we find the total of all the sides, we will get our perimeter. Therefore, perimeter equals to, find the sum, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, we get the sum as 18 centimeter. Again our result is 18 centimeter. So the perimeter is 18 centimeter. Okay. Now let us move towards the next figure. In next figure also, according to question, it is given that each small square is having each side of 1 centimeter. So let me write 1 centimeters for each, for boundary only. This side 1 centimeter, it is also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now what is the formula for perimeter? Formula is perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Right? Now, therefore, now find the sum. Add all these lengths, all the boundary lengths, add all the boundary lengths. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, perimeter. Again I am clearing that for perimeter we just talk about the boundary only. Okay, if you started walking from this point and you are counting the length of the boundary, we get 20 centimeter in this question. Okay, so when we start walking and covered one round around the figure, we get 20 centimeter, and it is the perimeter. It is known as perimeter. The length of boundary is known as perimeter of the figure. Okay, so our answer is 20 centimeter here. I am giving you some time to complete it, or you can take a screenshot. As from the video lecture only you need to complete your classwork copy. Okay, from the video lecture you will complete your classwork copy. So write all the things properly. Do not write the questions here and there. Write systematically. Write systematically exercise name, then question number 1. If you have done question number 1, then draw a line with the help of pencil and scale, then start question number 2. And be remember, always draw all the diagrams or figures with the help of pencil and scale. With the help of pencil and scale you need to draw the diagrams or figures. And solution you will solve with blue pen. Take the screenshot so that later you can complete. Now let us do the next remaining questions. Question number D. The next figure is figure is drawn like this, right? In question number D, the figure is drawn like this. Can you calculate the perimeter? Perimeter means the length of boundary. Can you calculate? If yes, then try to calculate. Till then I am drawing the next figure. Try to calculate the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter means length of boundary. Till then I am drawing the other figure. Calculate perimeter of this. Till then I can make the next figure. as you know that each small square having each side of 1 centimeter. So let us count very fastly. It is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, this side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, as we know that what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter of a figure is equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So find the sum. So the perimeter is equals to 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So the perimeter here is 14 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure is 14 centimeter. Now question number F, question number E I have done later. So you drop question number E first, then F. Here again we know the formula for perimeter. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Therefore, perimeter is equals to, okay, as we know that each side is of 1 centimeter, each is small square. So when you observe it is a small square, this one is a small square, it is also small square, it is also a small square. So all these small squares have 1 centimeter length of each side. So the value of this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and value of this is 1 centimeter. Now, as we want to find the sum of all sides, so count 1 plus 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So the sum of all sides is 20 centimeter. Therefore, the length of boundary of this figure is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now the next one, count the E. Count question number E. Yes. In question number E, again, we remember as we are talking about perimeter, we are just talking about the boundary, not the interior part of the figure. Okay? We are talking about the boundary only. We are not talking about this part. So do not start counting the squares that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22 squares are there. Do not count like this, okay? Just count the boundaries only. Length of boundary. Do not count the interior squares. You need to measure the length of these squares. Okay, so the formula of perimeter is, perimeter of a figure is, perimeter equals to sum of all sides, sum of all sides, right? It is the formula. Now count or find the total of all sides. Therefore, perimeter equals to, count 1. I am starting counting from this 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So when I started walking along the boundary of this figure, I got 22 centimeter. So the perimeter is 22 centimeter. Now two questions left. that is G and H. So I am giving you few minutes to note it down, or you can take screenshots so that later you can note down in your classwork copy from this screenshot properly. Or you can pause the video here, you can complete these questions in classwork copy, then you can again play the video for the further explanation. Now question number G. Question number G and H we will cover. So let me draw the figures first. According to the question, each square is having each side of 1 centimeter, right? So this is how it will be. Each side will be of 1 centimeter as it is already given in the question. So these square also will be having the sides of 1 centimeters, right? Now you want to find the perimeter, and what is the formula? Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides, right? It is the formula. Therefore, find the total. Therefore, perimeter equals to, start counting from this. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We have covered one round along the boundary. So, here the perimeter is of 20 centimeter. Perimeter means we talk about the length, total length of the boundary of any figure. Now question number 8. Let us find the perimeter of this figure or this shape. Okay, we have this shape. Let me give 1 centimeter. Centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Now as we know that the formula for perimeter of any shape is, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides, sum of all sides. Okay, therefore find the total. Therefore perimeter equals to, if we started from this side, 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. This figure's perimeter is also 20 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we find the perimeter of the following shapes. Question number 2 is completed here. Question number 2 is complete here, right? Question number 1 we have done in our previous lecture. I hope you have completed your homework of question 1. Question 2, I have discussed what you will do. You will properly write the chapter name, exercise. Then question number 1 you will perform. If question number 1 completed, draw a line with the help of pencil, then write question number 2 properly, draw the diagrams properly with the help of a scale and ruler, and then write their solution also very properly, very systematically in your classwork copy. You will complete all this work from the video lectures only. Okay, I will not provide you PDFs, as you all are now very much aware of that how to write in your classwork copy. Okay, write very systematically. Okay students, bye bye. We will meet in another lecture with the remaining questions of this chapter. Okay, bye.